Hi Joshua, hi Michaela. All right, we're going to have a look now at lesson 67's feedback. So we're going to start off with Joshua. So let me just get my camera there. All right, there we go. So Joshua, you had to write about, uh, no, I can't remember. It's about where you go, places that you like to go to. All right, so you wrote about going to the zoo. So let's have a look here. I love going to the zoo. My favorite animal is the lion. You could say is a lion because we only use the as a definite article when we have already spoken about something and you haven't mentioned a lion before in your writing. So we would just go with a lion. So you like to see any lion, not any particular lion. It's just any lion that you like to see. I like watching their habits and opening their ferocious jaws. So I like that use of an extreme adjective. I like that ferocious jaws. Very, very nice. Zookeepers are all one word. Zookeepers have a very important job. They feed and look after the animals. They also must wash the animals. In this case, I'm going to just swap these around and say they must also wash the animals. All right. They take time to check if the animal is well and you can say and healthy, well and healthy. You can say they take time to check if the animals are well and healthy. I'm sure that's not just one animal in a zoo. I think there should be more than one. So we're going to have to use plural there. Um, you can say, if you want to, you can say if they are all healthy. You can do that if you want to. Um, yeah, you can do that as well. I believe they are the most important part in the zoo. Um, yeah, they are the most important of the zoo. You use of as well. There, all right. On the weekend, I'm going to study more about lions. All right, so more about lions, more about animals. You study on something like you study on Facebook or you study on an online website, but you study about something, you learn about something. So study more about animals. Um, so next time I go to the zoo, and we're going to use that as an introduction comma, introduction phrase. I will know what to expect from the lions. All right, that's a good one. I like that. That's really really cool. Well done to you, Joshua. I like that one. All right, so we're going to go over onto Michaela, and Michaela, you had to write about what's fun about the sea. All right, okay, so let's have a look what you say. What's fun about the sea? When you are by the sea, you can do lots of things. You can collect shells, fly a kite, build sand castles. So sand castles, remember, is one word. Or go on your boogie board. That this this is a bogey. Bogey is normally a golf term. All right, so boogie is spelled Boogie, boogie boards. All right, or you can use body boards. That's another expression that they use. Sometimes you can go on boats and see dolphins, whales, and even multicolored fish. So, multicolored is a compound adjective, and we use a hyphen to link those two words together. So, for example, I'm just going to write it here at the bottom, and you can see how we do that. So, it's multicolored. All right, so we do it like that, multicolored with a hyphen in the middle. All right, so that's a compound adjective there. By the sea, my friends, so by the sea, that'll be an introduction phrase, setting the scene. By the sea, my friends often want to build sandcastles, again one word, and collect shells. But I like playing on my boogie board, Boogie, boogie board. Board is Board, boogie board. You can say while, boogie board, comma, while my brother Joshua, we're going to do small letter, likes to build sandcastles. And then you can do a new sentence. My brother Emmanuel likes to collect shells. And my mum likes to relax under the umbrella. Oh no, let's not do an and there, because then there's gonna be a whole lot. There's gonna be too many ands there. Okay, shells. My mum likes to relax under the umbrella, and my dad likes to walk. Very good. For lunch, we sometimes have ham and lettuce. Don't forget the E. Um, Ham and lettuce sandwiches. I like that. I like that. So lettuce, got a U there, lettuce. On the beach, and we often buy ice creams too. So, ice cream would be one word. It's not a hyphenated word. It's going to be one word. Ice creams too. It's fun by the sea. All right, there we go. Oh, there is one other thing that I want to just show you quickly. So if we go up to paragraph 2, in the middle of paragraph 2, um, so for example, we can put your brother's names. We can put in commas because it's kind of additional information. Like the sentence would go, my brother likes to build sandcastles. So you can say, my brother Joshua likes to build sandcastles. My brother Emmanuel likes to collect shells. So it's just added information, and things that we add on is normally put in commas. All right, so you can just put that in the comma there. For lunch, okay, that's it. Yeah, I think that'll be it. All right, so Joshua Michealla, that was actually quite well. Thank you very much for for doing those assignments for me. I really, really love them. I love reading them. So good job to both of you. So until we see each other again, have a fantastic time. Bye.